For our final embedded OS project, we made a mechanical AimBot. Hello, I'm Kenny, and I worked on the various mechanical and electrical aspects of this project, specifically designing the mouse carrier and the supporting circuitry.
I'm Rishi. I worked on software for the project, specifically the algorithm for deriving the pixel location of the creeper and where we would have to adjust for.
Hi, my name is Rohan, and I worked on the software for the project, specifically interfacing the Pi camera with our code and pre-processing our image.
For those who don't know, AimBots are a piece of software that automatically detects and targets an enemy player in a game. Our goal is to create a mechanical hardware version of this piece of software. This is our embedded OS final project, the mechanical AimBot. Here we have a mouse carrier with 4 Omni wheels and 4 parallax servos. The mouse here is wireless and connected to my laptop, and it'll go into the mouse carrier. This way, when the mouse carrier moves, it moves the mouse as well. Here you see a bunch of splice cables and wires, finally reaching the breadboard for the Raspberry Pi. To power the servos, we have 4 AA batteries providing 6 volts. And there's a simple stand to hold the Raspberry Pi cam up to monitor the laptop screen. So now let's see this work for real. Putting in the battery. Alright, it's on target. Press and hold the charge button. Direct hit. Notice when the creeper is gone, it says testing, and it does not say any coordinates for updating directions. Move on to the next target. Alright, so it's directly in the middle. It says stopping. I click fire. It's a hit. And that's it.